Let's make some back to school gifts for the kiddos. This is a super easy project and won't take much time at all. First, I printed these. You are just right for my class posters from my PowerPoint. You can probably also find them on Teachers Pay Teachers. I got these dollar store pencils and dollar spot pencils. You'll need a hole punch and some scissors. You're obviously going to need to cut out these circles. And it was some trial and error for me to find the right size for the pencil. After you cut that out, you're going to put a hole on both the top and the bottom. Stick your pencil in through the bottom and through the top in the back. Sharpen it later for the kiddos. Times that by 30 and there you have it, like so, like that, Tabitha Brown. Some nice gifts for the kiddos.